This year's festival theme is a tribute to the motorsport maestros, legendary drivers and teams who conquered the world across various motorsport categories. It's about those who navigated the globe, dominating both European and American championships. The swinging 60s were the golden era of these transatlantic maestros, with some of the best talents crossing the pond from America, none more iconic than Mario Andretti. Mario Andretti is the epitome of a racing driver, a serial winner who excelled in every aspect of the sport. His achievements are nothing short of astonishing. Born in Italy, Andretti's early life was marked by the turbulence of border changes, which saw the family farm become part of Yugoslavia. After years of trying, the Andretti family finally secured visas to move to the US. Mario often reflects on this transition, saying, "America has been our host country. It's my home now. I've always said that a passport doesn't change the blood, but in reality, I live the American dream." Andretti's career spanned across various disciplines in motorsports, from sports prototypes to Formula One, IndyCars, and NASCAR. He was blessed with opportunities that allowed him to shine in all of these categories. His success eventually caught the attention of Team Lotus boss Colin Chapman, leading to a pivotal moment in his career. Mario recalls, "I met Colin in Indianapolis in 1965, my rookie year. I told him I wanted to do Formula One someday, and he said, 'Mario, when you think you're ready, call me. I'll have a car for you.' Can you imagine what that meant to me?" Mario also learned a great deal from another legend, Bruce McLaren, particularly on the technical aspects of racing. "We spent endless evenings talking after tests. One thing led to another, and by 1968, I told Colin, I think I'm ready." Andretti's skills made him a man in demand, leading to a hectic travel schedule. In 1978 alone, he made 24 transatlantic crossings on the Concorde. He recalls a remarkable journey in 1977, where, after winning the French Grand Prix at Dijon, he hopped on a helicopter to La Boche, caught the 5:45 Concorde to New York, and was picked up by his plane to catch the last 10 minutes of a race in the Poconos, watching it on a delayed telecast with friends who couldn't believe it was possible. One of Mario's most memorable victories was in the Lotus 77 at the 1976 Japanese Grand Prix in Fuji, a race forever remembered for the Hunt vs. Lauda title decider. The rain-soaked day saw Mario return to the top step of the podium, and the car he drove that day still holds a special place in motorsport history. Reflecting on the experience of driving that legendary car, it's clear how special it is. "This car just flies in the wet," Mario advised. "I'd be a little more careful putting it back in the museum," he joked, but the thrill of driving it is undeniable. Even with its big rear tires, it's easy to light them up and feel the raw power and precision required to handle such a machine. These drivers had to truly drive the car, using the throttle to navigate each corner, making it a real dance of skill and control. It's a rare privilege to sit in the cockpit where Mario once sat, grip the same steering wheel he held on that unforgettable day in Fuji. Driving this car, you can feel the mechanical genius and the special history that makes it a treasured piece of motorsport legacy.